Hi everybody, Geraldine Rose. I've got to clear some hard drive space out. Last December, I was really fortunate to be accepted into the Altenew Educator program. For me, that means practicing the skills that I need to put a product out there so that it helps everybody else to learn different ways that they can use those products. That means putting up professional photos on my blog, on Instagram, on the Facebook group. Some of us, like me, put in the extra time to cultivate a YouTube channel. Now, by extra work, I'm talking 6 to 8 hours of video editing, voiceovering, graphics to do one 8 to 11 minute video for YouTube. It's a lot. And the hard drive, oh gosh. This is a new computer. It's a terabyte baby, and it's almost full. Within a year plus of doing weekly color throwdown challenges and Simon Says challenges and Altenew challenges and recording them, I've pretty much filled up the hard drive. Hence, I am getting rid of the ones where I don't have a complete process for, like these ones. These were part of a practice workshop sort of thing that I was doing, and I didn't think it respectful to actually record at that time. So I'm just doing little blurbs for these ones, little flash videos. I'm getting them out there because at least these cards went out to peeps that were in my card group. I've sent some out to subscribers and to followers too, people that had gotten a hold of me through the Geraldine Rose Facebook or Instagram pages and sent me messages at my blog. I still owe one person, a long-time friend, the one who actually got me started in this back in, I don't remember when it was, 2012, 13, 14, that I started making cards. Her, I owe the bestest card to, though. It's got to be really gorgeous. There's only one time I regret trying to be the change we want to see in the world. Sending out a large envelope to someone cost me $13, and she didn't even thank or acknowledge it. Lesson learned, right? So you all go be that change we want to see in the world, and I'm going to see if I can get together some full-length videos for everyone. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.